Welcome to TechTopiaX, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're looking for a portable air conditioner that doesn't require permanent installation but still delivers powerful cooling, the SereneLife 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is definitely one worth taking a closer look at. So, is this portable AC really worth buying? What do all of those specifications actually mean in everyday use? And why has it become such a popular option for apartments, bedrooms, offices, and rental homes? Let's find out. The biggest number you'll notice is the 12,000 BTU cooling capacity. This model is designed to cool rooms up to approximately 270 square feet, making it a great fit for bedrooms, home offices, studio apartments, or medium-sized living spaces. Instead of cooling an entire house, it focuses on efficiently lowering the temperature where you spend the most time. One feature that immediately stands out is its 3-in-1 functionality. You're not just getting an air conditioner. It also works as a fan and a dehumidifier, allowing the unit to remain useful throughout different seasons and weather conditions. The built-in dehumidifier removes up to 1.8 liters of moisture per hour, helping reduce indoor humidity and making rooms feel much more comfortable, especially during hot and humid summer days. Performance is supported by a rated power of around 1,080 watts, while airflow reaches approximately 410 cubic meters per hour, helping distribute cool air throughout the room instead of concentrating it in one area. One of the modern conveniences is its Wi-Fi connectivity. Using the SereneLife mobile app, you can control temperature settings, operating modes, timers, and power directly from your smartphone. Whether you're arriving home from work or cooling your room before bedtime, remote control adds a level of convenience many users appreciate. You also receive a traditional remote control if you prefer physical controls. Operation is straightforward thanks to the digital LED touch control panel, allowing quick adjustment of fan speeds, cooling modes, timer settings, and target temperature. Speaking of fan speeds, this model offers multiple fan settings so you can choose between quieter airflow during sleep or stronger cooling during hot afternoons. Another useful feature is the 24-hour programmable timer. Instead of running continuously, you can schedule the unit to automatically turn on or off, helping improve convenience and potentially reduce electricity usage. For nighttime use, the built-in sleep mode gradually adjusts cooling while maintaining quieter operation. Operating noise generally ranges between 45 and 53 decibels, making it comparable to normal indoor conversation and suitable for many bedrooms or workspaces. Installation is also designed to be simple. The package includes a window exhaust kit, exhaust hose, drain pipe, connectors, and installation accessories. Since it sits on rolling caster wheels, you can easily move it between rooms whenever needed. Maintenance is equally straightforward thanks to the removable and washable air filter, helping maintain airflow while making routine cleaning easy. Physically, the unit measures approximately 16.7 inches long, 13.7 inches wide, and 28.4 inches tall, giving it a relatively compact footprint for a portable air conditioner with this level of cooling performance. Temperature can be displayed in either Fahrenheit or Celsius, and users can easily switch between cooling, fan-only, or dehumidifier modes depending on the season. Overall, the SereneLife 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner combines strong cooling performance, Wi-Fi smart controls, portable convenience, built-in dehumidification, multiple operating modes, and easy installation into one compact package. For anyone needing flexible room cooling without installing a permanent air conditioning system, it offers a feature-rich solution designed for everyday comfort. Thanks for watching TechTopiaX. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.